Your vehicle may be equipped with an optional spare tire and tire changing kit. In the event of a flat tire, first, make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface safely away from traffic. Avoid ice or slippery areas. Turn the ignition off, turn the hazard lights on, and set the parking brake. If possible, block the front and rear of the wheel diagonally opposite the jacking position. For example, if you're changing the right front tire, block the left rear tire. You'll find the jack handle, and winch handle tools behind the rear cargo area's left side trim panel. Turn the two cover latches to release the cover. Then remove the tool pouch and set it aside. You'll find the spare tire inside a protective cover under the center of the vehicle, between the front doors. It's held in place by a cable winch mechanism. You'll find the spare tire drive nut on the floor under a plastic cap at the front of the floor console. Lift the front to remove the console. Now, assemble the spare tire tools into a T-handle and place the square end over the winch drive nut. Turn the nut counterclockwise until it stops turning freely. You should now have enough slack in the cable to pull the spare tire out from underneath the vehicle. Stand the tire cover assembly upright and squeeze the winch retaining tabs together to remove the wheel spacer. Push it through the spare tire and release it from the wheel. Now loosen, but do not remove the lug nuts by turning them one turn counterclockwise while the wheel is still on the ground. There are two jacking locations on each side of the body. Don't raise the jack until you're sure it's fully engaged. Now you're ready to raise the vehicle. Turn the jack screw clockwise until the tire just clears the surface and you've got enough clearance to install the spare tire. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Remove the lug nuts and pull the wheel off the hub. Mount the spare tire with the valve stem facing out. Damage could occur if the spare tire is mounted incorrectly. Reinstall the lug nuts and turn them until they are set flush against the surface of the rim. Now, turn the jack screw counterclockwise to lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Once on the ground, tighten the lug nuts. Alternate lug nuts until each has been tightened twice. Maximum effort should be used for final tightening of the lug nuts. Have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. Now, place the flat tire and compact spare tire cover assembly in the rear cargo area, raise the winch assembly back into position, and you're ready to go. A quick note though, do not stow the deflated tire in the spare tire location. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.